Listen, I want to keep this simple. I want to start uploading multiple times a day because I know it's a lot of people out there who could use some more money. So usually I do a lot of fluff, but what you need to take away from this video and many more videos I have to come is, if you want to maximize your money, you need to stop being scared to post on social media. And two, you need to unlock yourself from the traditional way of making money. Hourly, salary, unlock from that. I mean, you could work your way to the top. Many people are doing it. Many people are driving good cars, living life on their boats, having fun right now. But it's a very small percentage. And it's actually, to me, a smaller percentage than the ones that are doing good on the internet, in the tech world. So what you're doing out here is either e-commerce, selling products, or what I do is I show people different softwares, different training, and different pieces of education. Pretty much I resell this to the public. For example, if you're someone who's like, man, I need to learn how to do AI, man, I need to learn how to structure these online businesses and create content and figure it out, I sell people into that world. And in exchange of me putting you onto the information, I'm paid a commission by these different companies, or if I made the product myself. But I jumped into the affiliate space because for me, I can do products and create all that stuff all day. It's just a lot of maintenance, making sure it's running smooth, perfect. I'd rather be an affiliate and let the other person who likes to do that, which frees your time anymore. Imagine recording a quick video, 50-second reel, and it paying you, 50, 60, 70, or however much money a day, an hour, a minute, a second. These things happen at any time. Like, you plug little seeds all around, content, reels, pictures, images, and then when someone sees it and they resonate with it, they purchase. I do stuff in other spaces as well, but right now I'm specifically talking about affiliate marketing, because if you're brand new, you got a few dollars, you can get up and running quick. You can learn how it works quick. There's other business models in this online space that take more explanation. This doesn't. It's a product, it's a service, it's an opportunity. You unlock the ability of wanting it, and you can go get it right now. You can go tell a few friends, hey bro, we're about to do this, let's do it. Or you can just start from zero following and build it up, because guess what? There's more people just like you out there. If you got to realize, if you go buy a product for a specific reason, there's millions of people that will buy the same product. You got to get out of that crabs in a barrel mindset, like there's no one out there. I've been doing this since 2015, I got into the affiliate space, and it's been running ever since. It hasn't stopped. And I was a person who was skeptical for years, and I'd be doing a million different things because I didn't believe in it. And it's still here, it's still running, it's still something that I go to. Now I'm going to it, I go to it way harder than I used to do. I used to play around, I used to work, do it in my spare time. I used to like the game and everything else, but now I'm taking it super serious. Because do you realize that if 2,000 people see your video right now, 200 people request information, and 50 people decide, like, man, I want this, I'm gonna do it. Do you just realize you just made money from a video? Like, a lot of you don't understand how that's possible. It's because it's advertisement. If you tell somebody, hey, this does this, this can do this for you, here's where you buy it, and they go buy it. It's simple. You just got to do that consistently, right? Selling, opportunity, man. Everyone needs opportunity. Everyone's tired of doing crazy side hustles, working all day, man, like for peanuts. A lot of people are switching jobs every single year. Like, you don't even really have a home. Like, you're not even building nothing up before you can retire in 30 years. So it's like, this is the craziest thing. In the description, I'm gonna leave more information, real raw, no edited thumbnail. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. This is how you're gonna be able to make money. It's gonna cost $25 one time. The only thing on the back end that I use that would be extra is I use ChatGPT Pro to post a lot of my faceless content, like when I'm not speaking. ChatGPT Pro, or I forgot the name of the membership, it's $20 a month. So that's something on the back end. But those two things, this affiliate software I'm gonna show you, and ChatGPT Pro, bro, that's all you need. And you can go make a crazy amount of money, and you can start these social media accounts ASAP, like right now. If you already got an account on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We'll just flip it into it being your branded account, and you just start posting like today. That's what's so crazy. You can literally start posting today. I'm not saying it's going to take off, because a lot of you have bot accounts, meaning you haven't posted on them. So a lot of them think you're like a bot, so they don't give you reach right away sometimes. But I mean, like, I post on some new accounts and get views right away. So listen, if you want more information, once again, everything will be in the description.